Welcome to the second video. In first video, we have seen that how Mr. Chips treats his students in his room, in his house, how he shows his generosity and hospitality. In this particular video, we'll see that how Mr. Chips was associated and Mr. Chips had a peaceful life in his home and how he enjoys a pleasant life. So let's start reading. A pleasant, blessed life at Mrs. Wicket's. So pleasant, khushgawar, placid. What do we mean by placid? So just if you just write this word in dictionary, you will see that how it means something that is serene, something that is free of interruption, or something that is free from disturbance. So something that has no disturbance. So life at the house of Mrs. Wicket was free. There was no disturbance at all, and she used to provide him a kind of comfortable living in his old age, where all the necessities of the old man were taken into consideration, and she used to provide him food and a kind of good place. Why so? Because it was adjacent and it was very close to school, so that he could go to the school whenever he wanted. So he had no worries. His pensions were adequate. परेशानी नहीं थी. Pensions were adequate. They were enough for him to pass his time happily without being worried about food or rent or other essentials that an old man requires in his life. So there was little money saved up besides, so he had also some savings. He could afford everything and anything he wanted. As far as his own self was concerned, he could purchase whatever he wanted because he had already worked hard in his youth time and in his younger age, so that he could pass this particular time of the old age very easily. His room was furnished. So his room was completely furnished. It was decorated with स्कूल मास्टरली टेस्ट. एक उस्तादों वाले टेस्ट के साथ वो सारी की सारी डेकोरेशन वहाँ पर मौजूद थी. अ फ्यू बुक शेल्फ्स, बुक्स वर देयर, किताबें मौजूद थी, लाइब्रेरी मौजूद थी, स्पोर्टिंग ट्रॉफीज मौजूद थी दैट ही वन. He attained many trophies because he was a very good player as well. A mental piece crowded with fixture cards. फिक्सचर कार्ड जो होते हैं अप्रिसिएशन कार्ड्स होते हैं. जो अप्रिसिएशन कार्ड होते हैं, जैसा कि अगर मैं आपको इफ़ आई जस्ट गूगल इट एंड आई कैन show you some of the fixture cards. So these are the fixture cards, as you could see that how various kinds of appreciations are shown by various institutes. So he, as an expert, used to get all those signed photographs of boys and men. So he also kept photographs of the boys and men for the memory. Oh, warm turkey carpet, big easy chairs, pictures on the wall of the Acropolis and the Forum. What is Acropolis and Forum? If you just further Google it, you will be able to find that Acropolis is a kind of old building in Roman Empire, as you could see that is displayed before you. So these are the building structures that are available. So the pictures of these historical places were hanged on the wall as well in the room of Mr. Chips. So the books were chiefly classical. So the books, whatever he had, nearly everything had come out of the old house master's room. So it was an old house master room, and all those books were having classical style, for that had been his subject, because he was also the master of classical languages, master of classical knowledge as well. So he kept all those related books in his particular room so that he could read them and he could gain more knowledge about his own subject. However, a seasoning history and Bella's letters. So these are literary types of writings, Bella's letters and seasoning history as well. So history books were also available in that particular room. There was also bottom shelf piled up with cheap editions of detective novels. So in the bottom shelf, in the lower shelf, he also had detective novels as well, jasusi novel. If you are familiar with Imran series or Sherlock Holmes, so these are the novels, these are the books that are available, and people love to read all these thrillers and all these novels where they enjoy everything whenever something is related to them.